Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, MJ's Bass Fishing. Today we're actually gonna go creek fishing. As you can see, I'm already at the creek. So let's get everything rigged up and let's go catch some fish. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so for today's video we're gonna be using the Kraken Craw Texas rig, and we're also gonna be using the Slim Shake Texas rig as well. The water's kind of muddy, so I'm gonna be using dark colors like blue, just red, like a dark color. So let's go fishing. Well guys, we caught the little bass, the first one of the day, on the Kraken Craw Texas rig. It's just a little baby, so let's throw it back. Alright guys, so we caught a little fish, probably like a 10-inch. We're making a move. We're actually going to walk along this creek, but I noticed that the water is getting clear over here, so I'm going to have to switch colors to a green pumpkin or a light color, natural color. So I'm going to walk along this creek right here and try to find a spot. So I'll be with y'all in a bit. Alright guys, so quick update. I switched it up a little. I'm still using a Texas rig, but I'm using a little worm instead of a Slim Shake. It's just still a worm. But on the other rod I have a jerkbait, kind of like a gold, and it has a rattle in there. So like I said, the water is getting clear, so I'm using more natural colors like green. So let's go fishing. I found a decent spot behind me, so let's try it out. Alright guys, so first decent fish of the day. Maybe a 13-inch, 14. Caught it on that Senko. It gave me a hard time actually. It was under some rock, or it was hiding or something. So it put a good fight, as you saw in the video. So it's a pretty good fish, a nice looking fish. So let's get a release on her. Alright guys, so let's keep fishing a few more minutes, and we'll call it a day, because it's getting kind of dark. So guys, I was walking back to my car, and I saw this on the floor. It's kind of, I mean, I've never seen something like this, so it's kind of weird. Some type like a bird or something. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, MJ's Bass Fishing. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, please go check them out, and please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in with me, and like I said, go subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and catch you on the next video. Peace.